in there for that.
Mussy.
Developing right now, another earthquake strikes near Samoa,
What, kitten?
devastated by a tsunami.
I am yet to find out about my sister and her children
What are you doing?
back in Western Samoa.
Cairo 7's monitoring the latest devastation and local relief efforts underway. Plus, by fears of swine flu have local healthcare workers outraged and taking action. And rain on the radar, where showers moving through tonight could slow the morning commute tonight on 11 at 11.
You gonna look at me? Yeah. Monster commercial, like a tiger. Wow.
Many people are trying to do their part.
Yeah.
Some just have more fun doing it.
Dig it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
For a limited time, get 2 new Italian burgers from Red Robin with bottomless steak fries, just $5.99 each. The Wise Guy Burger with fried mozzarella sticks, spicy pepperoni, and zesty marinara. And the chicken caprese sandwich with pesto aioli, fresh mozzarella, and marinated tomatoes. Try one today with all-you-can-eat bottomless steak fries, just $5.99 each. Hey, I'm 1/16 Italian. Red Robin.
Yum. Visit firstnewhome.net. The $8,000 tax credit ends November 30th.
Hey, Joe. Back on.